Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete messages on Google Chat. So if you also want to delete messages on Google Chat, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is open Gmail. If you have opened Google Chrome, all you have to do is click on the Gmail option that you can see right over here. If you have opened any other browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in www.gmail.com, press enter. If you're using mobile, all you have to do is open the Gmail application. You can see over here Gmail is open. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now what you have to do is open chat. At left side you can see options like mail, chat and meet. All you have to do is click on the option chat. Now you can see over here Google Chat will be opened. Click on the message of your choice. Now what you have to do is hover over the message that you want to delete. Now you'll be able to see several icons over here. At last you'll be able to see the three dots. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to see several options. If you're using mobile phone, all you have to do is tap and hold on the message that you want to delete, and then you'll be able to see options like this. Scroll down. At last you'll be able to see the option for delete. All you have to do is click on it. Now this kind of option will appear. Deleting this entire thread permanently will delete the original message and all the replies and cannot be undone. Other participants can see that a message was deleted. You can see two options over here, cancel and delete. All you have to do is click on the option delete. Now you can see over here your message has been deleted. So that is how you delete messages on Google Chat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.